If your Gmail account is logged in on your phone and you created it a long time ago but have forgotten the password, then in this video, I will show you how to reset it. First, open the Play Store on your phone. Then, click on the profile icon at the top. Now, go to the Google account option and select Security. Next, scroll down until you see the Password option. Click on it. After clicking, it may take some time to load. Then, you will need to enter your phone's password or verify it using your fingerprint if it's set up. After verification, you will see the option to set a new password. Enter your new password and click on Change Password. Once done, your Gmail account password will be successfully updated. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video with a new topic. Until then, bye.